Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. On the economic data front, we had two positive readings from the two biggest economies of the world. Firstly, it was the US, where we had another mind-blowing US pending home sales number that really boosted the confidence over in the United States, and we saw this massive rally for the Dow Jones index, which closed in positive territory by scoring over 500 points. As you can see in the chart, the upward trend is still very much intact, and the moving averages are providing the support. As for the second biggest economy of the world, China, we have seen another positive reading coming out from there as well. What was that? That was your manufacturing and services PMI number that came a lot more better what the market was anticipating. So this confirms the sentiment that yes, the economic recovery from coronavirus is still intact and it is moving in the right direction. Speaking of coronavirus, yesterday, for the first time, we have seen, in a long time, we've seen the new coronavirus cases surge to 1.2%, but below the daily average that we have experienced last week. So this was a positive news. Again, it bolsters the investor confidence that yes, the current measures, such as rolling back the economic, the reopening of the economy, but which is done by various different states such as Arizona and also in Florida as well. These measures, they are working, and that is what investors really want to see. But remember, today is the 30th of June, and of course that means the first half of this year is over. And more importantly, the second quarter is over as well. Now, speaking of the second quarter, when we look at the S&P 500 index and the Dow Jones index and measure the performance on a quarterly basis, you can see that they are set and on track to record the best quarterly performance since 2009. Now guys, one can sit on the side and then continue to evaluate that how this market is really performing and what the sort of a recovery are we going to see, whether there's going to be V, U, W, X, Y, Z, whatever you want it to call. But the fact is always in hard data, and the data tells us that the recovery is there and the quarterly performance really backs that particular argument. Now the question obviously is how it is going to really perform from here onwards. I think there's enough tailwind from this particular quarter, which is likely to propel the equity market, the US stock market, into another positive territory going into July. That's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.